Hey guys, I just want to do this quick video here. I want to show you how to quickly delete all your email in a Gmail folder or label, or all your email if you really wanted to. A lot of times people have trouble with this and they think they can only delete the whatever you see. I'm showing 1 of 100 out of 11,000. So if you click this, a lot of people click that, hit delete, but it's only deleting those 100 conversations there. Now, with Google to delete all of them at once, it made it a little clearer here in the new Gmail. If you haven't switched yet, you might look a little different than I do here. But whenever you select all these now, you're going to see that it says select all 11,133 conversations. By doing so, it is selecting all 11,000, and if I hit this delete button, it will delete all 11,133 conversations. Now, when I do that, it is going to put it in my trash can and keep it in my trash can for approximately 30 days when it will eventually get cleared out automatically. But this is just a quick way to delete all messages without having to go through them one by one or 50 at a time, 100 at a time. Hopefully this helps. I know I fought with this before this was relevant up here, so I wanted to kind of share this with you. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notifications for new videos, and until next time, have a good one.